here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri Ma'am. Today, let's solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology examination. The question is from section C, NAT type of question, that is for 1 mark. Lysine is an amino acid with 3 ionizable groups. These are alpha carboxyl group, alpha amino group and epsilon amino group with pKa values 2.2, 9.2 and 10.8 respectively. The isoelectric point Pi for lysine is that is to be calculated. So let's go to calculate this Pi value. Yes, when we see the titration of amino acid lysine, what we observe? This is a structure of lysine. It is having alpha carboxylic group and alpha amino group. Along with this, lysine is having epsilon amino group. See here, this is a alpha carbon, alpha, beta, gamma, delta and epsilon. In the side chain to the epsilon carbon atom, there is one more amino group present in a lysine. That's why the lysine is basic amino acid having a positive charge on it. So while starting of the titration curve, what we observe is lysine is having +2 charge on it. As on we move towards the titration, we add the strong base NaOH. So on addition of strong base, what happens? The proton from this carboxyl group get removed at the first time. This proton removed and the charge on lysine become +1. Because now this one of the NH3 group is going to neutralize this negative charge and so the final charge would be +1. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में हमें इसका pKa और pK1 दिया है 2.2. इसके बाद जब ये टाइट्रेशन कंटिन्यू होता है तब इस अमाइनो ग्रुप का डीप्रोटोनेशन होता है. ये अल्फा अमाइनो ग्रुप है, अल्फा कार्बन एटम से जुड़ा हुआ. तो इसका डीप्रोटोनेशन होने के बाद लाइसिन पर चार्ज आता है 0, क्योंकि ये प्लस माइनस, ये प्लस और ये माइनस न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाते हैं. तो दिस इज द नेट चार्ज ऑन द अमाइनो एसिड इज 0 and this is the isoelectric point of this lysine. Isoelectric point is that pH where the net charge on amino acid is 0. And now here we find that the net charge is 0. तो यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में हमें pK2 दिया है 9.2. आगे टाइट्रेशन कंटिन्यू करते हुए जाएं तो एप्सिलॉन अमाइनो ग्रुप का जो प्रोटॉन है वो रिमूव हो जाएगा और अभी यहाँ पे अमाइनो एसिड पे नेट चार्ज -1 आ जाएगा कार्बोक्सिल ग्रुप की वजह से. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से ये लाइसिन का टाइट्रेशन हो जाता है. Now when we need to calculate the Pi value for lysine, what we consider? We consider the pK value for alpha amino group and pK value for epsilon amino group. उसका मीन वैल्यू निकाल के हमें Pi वैल्यू मिल जाती है. So when we move to the calculation, in the question it is given pK for alpha carboxylic group it is 2.2. For alpha amino group it is 9.2 and for epsilon amino group it is 10.8. So the isoelectric point would be a pKa of alpha amino group plus pKa of epsilon amino group divided by 2, the mean value of 2 amino groups. So that would be a 9.2 plus 10.8 divided by 2 and the answer PR will be 10. Hence, after calculation, we find the PR value for lysine as a 10. So option D is the correct answer for this question. I will be there with some more questions from IIT JAM examination. I have also started solving questions from Maharashtra SET examinations. Also, I am having various lecture videos from biomolecules from immunology. So keep watching my channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for my channel and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.